Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered what would happen if our sun, the heart of our solar system, suddenly exploded? Hold on to your hats because we're diving into the ultimate doomsday scenario. The sun's explosion and its catastrophic impact on Earth and beyond. Imagine this. One fine day, our sun, which has been our dependable source of light and life for billions of years, goes supernova. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Our sun is not massive enough to actually go supernova in its life cycle. But, just for the sake of exploration, let's picture the impossible. The initial moments of this cosmic explosion would be visually spectacular, yet terrifying. Within minutes, the Earth would be bathed in an intense, blinding flash of light. This isn't just any light. We're talking about energy so powerful it could instantly vaporize the Earth's atmosphere and boil the oceans. But before you start worrying about sunblock SPF 1 million, remember, this is a hypothetical scenario. Our sun is set to expand into a red giant in about 5 billion years, not explode. However, if it did go supernova, the radiation blast would strip away the Earth's atmosphere, exposing the surface to deadly space conditions. Temperatures would plummet, and what remains of our planet would become a frozen, lifeless rock floating in space. Beyond Earth, the explosion would send shockwaves through the solar system. Planets would be destabilized from their orbits, and a new, albeit chaotic, order would emerge. The remnants of the sun, now a neutron star or black hole, would exert a different gravitational pull, altering the very fabric of our solar system's dynamics. Now, let's zoom out a bit. The impact of such an explosion would resonate through interstellar space. Neighboring star systems might detect the cosmic fireworks, a bright, fleeting testament to what once was the solar system's anchor. But let's come back to Earth, or rather, our current reality. The sun exploding is not something you need to add to your list of worries. Our sun is middle-aged in stellar terms, and its end will be much less dramatic, involving a gradual swelling and cooling rather than a sudden boom. So, while the thought of our sun going supernova is a thrilling plot for a sci-fi movie, it's not a scientifically accurate scenario for our solar future. What's truly fascinating is how even this fictional exploration reveals the delicate balance and immense power of the forces at play in our universe. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos, don't you think? Now, let's take a deeper dive into the sun's life cycle. Our sun was born in a stellar nursery, a cloud of gas and dust, about 4.6 billion years ago. It has spent most of its life in the main sequence phase, where it burns hydrogen into helium in its core. Over time, the sun has gradually increased in brightness, affecting the climate and conditions on Earth. In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and expand into a red giant, cooling and engulfing the inner planets. During the red giant phase, the sun will shed its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula. The core that remains will become a white dwarf, a dense, cooling remnant of the sun's former glory. This white dwarf will slowly cool over billions of years, eventually becoming a cold, dark object. The sun's life cycle is a fascinating journey, and it's just one example of the many different paths stars can take in the universe. Studying stellar life cycles helps us understand the cosmos and our place within it. Ongoing research in astronomy continues to reveal new insights and discoveries about the universe. Thanks for joining me on this explosive journey through one of the most thrilling what ifs of our universe. Keep that curiosity alive, and remember, the more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover.